Hello everybody and welcome back to Ted Davies Artistry. We are doing a lot of different things right now. That's why I haven't been online very much, and I've been trying to get some digital media together for you so that we can learn a little bit more about how I do my business. We last talked about analog and what, digital versus analog, and what I use for my production. At least in the analog phase. I'm going to be diverting it just a little bit because I got this really cool thing I want to show you. Let me just get into it. Okay, well, that's a little bit better. Yeah, as you can see, this is a typewriter. This is I believe, a 1947 Woodstock. I think it's a number 5. I've been looking through records, and I've been trying to figure out exactly what year it is. You're going to see the era that it is. Thompson Office Equipment repaired this back in the 1940s, I'm assuming. I don't know. But we'll have to see. But the phone number, if you see that there, is interesting because it's not a 7-digit number like we're used to. This is pretty old. So these were pretty amazing typewriters. The fact that they're still around is incredible. It's a testament to the engineering in these. I am currently working on, let me see if I can get this. I'm currently working on repairing this, restoring this, and I'm doing it because a good friend of mine, Aaron DeBeck, who runs a local antique store here in the Tawas area, Fabulous Finds. You can check that out online. She's just terrific. She found this for me, and it's remarkable because I think it's a great testament to the engineering feats of that era. And these were workhorses, like I said. These were mainly used for military. They were used for office work, obviously doctors, attorneys, accountants. This needs a lot of cleanup, and I don't really want to restore it to its original factory spec. I'm going to do the best I can with it, but I love the patina. I want to keep it. I'm going to show you some of the ins and outs of this. I can get this off of here. Okay, so let's get that off of there. That's pretty much a guard. Really good shape, though. I just have to clean this. You can see not the original, I'm sure, but this is some of the ribbon that you can still get, which is pretty remarkable. There's quite a following on these, which I was really happy to see. I'm going to have to get in here and really clean this out. I'm going to be probably cleaning it down with WD-40. Then we'll end up oiling it. I don't know what to use yet. I have to check that out. But as far as the equipment itself, it's in really great shape. Let me just do a little test here to show you. I don't know if it'll go all the way to the bell, but we're going to try. It might get stuck, but we'll try. Yeah, it looks like it's going to get stuck. There you go. So that's kind of cool, though. But it's not going to be, I'm not going to be using this to write scripts or write books. It's more so I'm going to be using it as an art form. There's certain things I want to do with this that I want to add to my art. And whether it's in prose or whether it's in poetry, I'm not sure yet exactly what the art's going to be doing. But it's telling me to work with this. So that's what I'm going to do. So I hope that you guys are going to watch this. I've got a couple things I'm probably going to film here. Why not? Why don't we? I'm going to start cleaning this up a bit. Let's film it and yeah, show you some of the progress and see if this thing works. I'm going to start out with, I'm probably just, let's see how these keys clean up a bit. I'm going to use some hydrogen peroxide, just standard, nothing out of the, nothing out of the ordinary. Stuff you would get at, Walmart or what have you. Any of the, the big stores. Yeah, it looks like it's clean. I mean, look at how good that cleans up. Let's just take a look here and see if we get some of this grime off. This is a many, many, many years of, I don't think neglect is the right word, just, you know, it's just part of age. They're cleaning up nicely though, look at that. That's amazing. And I'm just trying to see what, how it's gonna clean up here. I'm using just a regular cotton, and I don't even know what these are. What are these called? Pure cotton rounds for beauty. Okay, well, I guess we're beautifying this, so why not? Yeah, you can see all that cleans up. That's amazing. See, the thing about the older products, especially the analog stuff, they last. It's amazing what good engineering does. You can do some amazing things with just a little bit of know-how and the proper engineering. I mean, this is almost 100 years old. This is amazing to me. But you can see how they're sticking a little bit, so I've got to oil that up. I got to clean the tracks, everything on it. It's pretty mind-blowing, the amount of grime that's on here, but God knows when it was clean last, you know. Yeah, that's coming out really nice, though. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you think. I know you probably think I'm crazy even redoing this, but you know, this is what it's about. Trying to preserve a lot of the stuff that you know, people throw out, and it's, you know, another man's treasure, right? I think that is going to be really, really good. I love doing this because it gets you motivated to restore things, hopefully here. At least for me it is. And then, you know, I didn't go to school in 1940s. I wasn't born until 71. But I remember in my grade school, we used, and I talked about this on the other podcast that I did, other video that I did, that they had us actually use these type of typewriters when we were learning how to use Apple IIe computers in the 80s. I remember it vividly. Our one room, the next room would have all of the brand new Apple IIe computers. Yeah, we had a really nice lab. We were very, very lucky that our school had that. Not every school does or did at that time. But in the other room, we had a series of typewriters like this, and we learned. And these are the these weren't electric, so we were really. I think it was the best of both worlds because it taught you how to type the proper way, in the manual way, and old school, baby. You know, and I think that's pretty much a testament to education. I think that there's nothing wrong with that. I love the old numbers. It's such an interesting thing. You can see the amount of dirt that's in here, though. It's quite dirty. But all in all, though, I think it's a pretty good start. So you tell me, guys, what do you think about typewriters? Do you think they're a dinosaur that doesn't need to be resurrected? Or do you think maybe that we should save these amazing things? I think that I think it's awesome. It's another way to kind of live your life a little bit more mindfully. But I think that there's some definite benefits to it. I'm looking forward to putting it together and seeing if I can't come up with something that's going to work with my artwork. So, but I'll be working on this a bit today, and then we'll get back to it. So, thanks so much for stopping into Ted Davies Artistry. Let me know if you guys have typewriters. Let me know if you're fans. If you think there's still a place for it in today's world. I think so. We'll talk to you soon, and thanks for subscribing and liking and sharing this out and being part of Ted's tribe. We appreciate it. Thanks.